You don't. No, a polite no.
Okay.
If you don't want to have that option and you have enough experience knowing and you should have enough confidence, you're a badass. We're all telling you you're badass right now. As long as I'm not giving you advice of something that's totally out of scope, your best answer in that stuff is a polite no. Because I have made this mistake as an employee and I've made this mistake as a business owner. Where like, I really want to get the business. And then you start building a plane as you're flying it, right? Well, I could probably do this and it crashes. I would rather you have to walk away from one deal and have 100 of them go, okay, because that's what ends up happening, right? I say to Jason, hey, Jason, can you do this without the storage fees? And Jason goes, well, I mean, we typically don't do that, but maybe I can talk to my team and see what's, hey, Jason, can you do this without the warehouse storage fees? No. You sure? Yes. Right? Why? Because we've worked with hundreds of companies in this type of logistics scenario. You're going to have the storage fees. And that's why, well, the other people are quoting it without that. Why do you think they're doing that? Well, they probably just want to get our business. And what do you think is going to happen when there is storage? Well, they're going to charge it for us, which is why I wanted to get everything on the quote up front, right? It's just easier. So stay calm, stay cool, stay collected. Not in an aggressive way, but just no, right? And then when she says, why not? Because that's the way this, based on everything you told me, this is exact, in my experience, literally putting thousands of people in this exact position, this is how it needs to be configured in order to get you guys to where you need to go. Calm voice, calm voice.
Calm voice, calm voice.
Yeah.
Deep breath.
Yeah,
Okay.
deep breath, calm voice.
Moving forward, so I never happen like this again. Is the solution then to really get into it from the beginning?
Kind of high level, but your initial thought, I believe, was right. And you could have walked into this with what research have you done on me? Or what research have you done on us? Because that allows you to go, in this particular situation, and this is actually where we thrive, this is right in my wheelhouse, we do an exclusive agreement. The reason why we do an exclusive agreement is blah, blah, blah. That allows you to get ahead of that whole complaint before it ever becomes one. And it's not even an objection at this point. I think it's a complaint. Because she's not saying, I'm not doing this deal. She's just saying, I wasn't aware that you did that. So we're going to own that. You told her, she wasn't listening, but in the future, I think as you get along these calls, that what research have you done on us is going to allow you to bring up all the stuff that normally you know. There's a certain amount of things that you know you have to tell every potential client. All of us have this. There's 2 or 3 things that we got to make sure every potential client knows. That's how we get to that, is what research have you done on us? Or what research have you done on me? Right? Super simple. We'll walk you through it right now. Make sure you can walk them through it in 45 seconds. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.